Hey, it's Mark Nolan back in the DEI garage, and we're talking Easy Loom, the split line sleeving here. This is the perfect combination of form and function, isn't it? I mean, it's just a classy, clean way to protect all those wires and dress them up at the same time. So you got function, you've got style, and it fixes up everything from plastic tubing all the way out to wiring or whatever. Provides abrasion protection, which is great. And you can replace those old, dirty, warm out looms that you see, and I know you've got them under your hood at some point somewhere, so make sure you check these out. There's no need to disconnect the lines. The split seam makes it easy to install. You can see here, it comes around each side. It's absolutely perfect. It wraps around with no issues whatsoever. It comes in a bunch of different sizes, up to 1.5 inches in diameter. And what you see before you here, this is the master kit. It comes with all sizes of sleeving, got electrical tape, shrink tube, everything all in one in the master kit. It's Easy Loom Split Line Sleeving, designengineering.com.